Hi, I'm Chris Rutherford. I'm one of the instructors here at the Victoria Park Golf Learning Centre. One of the most common problems that we see on a daily basis here are people having trouble with the sequencing of their downswing. So getting that downswing coordinated. A very common fault is for people to initiate their downswing using the upper part of their body, their hands, arms and shoulders to start the downswing. Now, just like throwing a ball, it's very important that the lower part of our body, that our hips turn before the upper part of the body starts turning in the downswing, just like the throwing of a ball like this. Now, this training aid that I have here is a fantastic training aid, not just for the development of a skill, but also for the strength and conditioning and some stretching as well. So we just grip it like we do a normal golf club and then just swing in slow motion back and through. And the extra weight, you'll see it's very heavy on this end, very flexible, and it's a bit longer than a driver. So it actually retards the upper part of your body, the first stage of the downswing, so that the lower part of the body, as you can see here, is initiating the downswing. Again, it's a great stretching tool and it's a great strengthening tool because of the extra weight it's in the bottom. I can recommend it highly. Everyone should have one in their golf bag. This is another drill that I use to help with the sequencing of your downswing, in particular with your short game, but can be transitioned into the long game as well. So set yourself up on the edge of the green, just with your wedge, taking your normal posture. So you'll see my hands are gripped down the shaft a touch, feet are closer together. Now leave your bottom hand where it is. With your top hand, grab the bottom of the humerus of your arm in here like this and pull it into your body nice and tight. So the only part of your right arm, my right arm, that can move is the bottom part here below my elbow. So from here now, this is what I call a black and white drill, meaning that when you do it well, it's really good, and when you don't, the results are horrible. So it's very easy to see the difference. So the key here is to keep your arm connected to your body, to make sure that it is your body that's rotating, the big muscles that's rotating to move the golf club, not just using your hands or your arms in a flicking motion like this. So it should look like this, nice and soft with the hands, and you'll notice that the lower part of my body initiated my downswing. Even on a little chip like this, you can see my belt buckle's pointing right at my target. When you make the mistake, and the fault we see regularly is this, that the body won't move and it'll just be the hands, and more often than not you'll see the club hitting the ground behind the ball or catching it thin and shooting it right through the other side of the green. I hope you found these drills helpful, not only in creating good sequence, but maintaining good sequence in your downswing as well.